Hey guys, welcome to the final installment to my HelloFresh series. Stated in my previous videos, I ordered 3 meals through HelloFresh online. So this one is the sizzling pork fajitas with roasted red peppers and a lime crema and salsa fresca. And the picture looks like this. And it's really good, again, because it's pre-measured ingredients, so they give you what you need for each recipe, and then it comes along with a step-by-step picture process. So we're gonna try this last recipe out, and we'll see how it goes. So to start, core and then cut the peppers into 1/4-inch slices. Toss together the peppers, half the onions, half the Mexican seasoning, eighth teaspoon of Chipotle powder, 1 tablespoon of oil, and we're gonna roast in the middle of the oven, stirring halfway through cooking until it's golden brown. So this is gonna take about 20 minutes. So moving on, while that's happening, we're gonna make our salsa fresca. We're gonna zest and then juice the lime. So we're gonna chop the remaining onions. And then cut the tomatoes into 1/4-inch pieces. And then we're gonna roughly chop the cilantro. And in a small bowl, we're gonna combine the tomatoes, the chopped onions, two tablespoons of lime juice, and 2 tablespoons of oil, and season with salt and pepper. And we're gonna set that aside. So in another small bowl, we're gonna combine the sour cream, the cilantro, and the lime zest. We're going to season with salt and pepper and also set that aside. Next, we're going to pat dry the pork with a paper towel. And then we're going to cut it into 1-inch pieces. And in a medium bowl, we're going to toss together the pork and the remaining Mexican seasoning and add a little salt and pepper for taste. Next, we're going to heat a large nonstick pan over medium-high heat. And when the pan is nice and hot, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add the pork. We're going to cook, stirring occasionally until it's golden brown and cooked through. Next, the last step is to just heat up the tortillas. So we're going to wrap the tortillas in a foil and we're going to place that in the oven. And we're going to give it about 4 to 5 minutes until the tortillas are warm and flexible. And then we're going to fill each tortilla with pork and veggies. And then we're going to top it off with some salsa fresca and a dollop of our lime crema. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to this last episode to the HelloFresh series. If you're interested in seeing the other 2 videos that I did, head on over to my channel and browse through the videos where you'll see them there. One was a salmon with freekeh and the other one was a chicken nectarine pizza with arugula. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the kitchen.